Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from freelancer.com to PayPal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from freelancer.com to PayPal, start by logging into your freelancer.com account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Finance tab located in the main menu. In the Finance section, click on Withdraw. You will see multiple withdrawal options available on the screen. Select PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method. If this is your first time withdrawing to PayPal, you will need to link your PayPal account. Click on the Link PayPal Account option. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your PayPal email address. After entering your PayPal email, click Link. Ensure that your PayPal account is fully verified to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once linked, return to the withdrawal page. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your freelancer balance. Review the transaction details carefully. Make sure that everything is accurate before proceeding. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Typically, it may take a few hours to a few days for the funds to appear in your PayPal account. If the funds do not appear within this time frame, check your withdrawal status on freelancer.com. You can find this information under the Withdrawal Histories section in the Finance tab. In case of any issues, do not hesitate to contact Freelancer's support for assistance. Keep in mind that PayPal may charge a small fee for receiving funds. Once the money appears in your PayPal account, you can use it for transactions or transfer it to your bank account as needed. Be sure to monitor your account regularly to understand your transaction history and any applicable fees. And that concludes the steps for withdrawing from freelancer.com to PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.